adapt.
Bitches better lay it down. 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 Bitches better.
Real Memphis shit, nigga.
Bitches better lay it down. 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 Bitches better lay it down.
Hopped off in the mosh pit, wild as hell, throwing bows. I just took a 1-and-1, eyes red, nose froze. Psychopathic lunatic, Memphis made a nigga hard. I was born in the M, so I'm hard from the start. Take a shit from no man, none of these niggas invincible. If I fall, I still land on 10, that's on principle. Do me wrong, that's your loss. You had to cross the balls, now all rules are tossed. Nothing beat a cross like a double cross. Fuck 'em. Jump, nigga, jump.
I don't think they want none. Tell them to come get it if you niggas think you want some.
Jump, nigga, jump.
If you really want some, I don't think you niggas got the nuts to come and get some. We ain't with that beefing on that IG Twitter bullshit. Leave that for them school kids. We ain't got shit to prove here. Survival of the fittest, so y'all niggas better get in shape. Cause I'm ready for battle, my nigga. I shot at you niggas, I'm ready your cage, boy. Just quicker than you